DIPS Institute of Hotel Management is a leading educational institution dedicated to training the next generation of hospitality professionals, offering a wide array of courses in the hospitality sector. The institute prepares students for various roles in hotels, restaurant, event management and other related fields with an emphasis on practical experience and industry relevance. The IPS equips students with the skill and knowledge necessary to excel in the competitive job market. The courses at DIPS cover essential areas such as hotel management, culinary art, hospitality management and event planning. Each program is designed to provide students with a comprehensive understanding of the hospitality industry, combining theoretical coursework with hands-on training. Students engage in practical sessions, internship and workshop that allow them to apply their learning in real-world settings. This experiential approach ensures that graduates are not only knowledgeable but also adept at handling the challenges they will face in their careers. DIPS places a strong emphasis on skill development, ensuring that students graduate not only with academic knowledge but also with practical skills that are highly valued by employers. Training in customer service, communication, and leadership is integrated into the curriculum, preparing students to excel in fast-paced environments. Additionally, the institute offers specialized training sessions focused on various aspects of hospitality management such as food and beverage management, front office operations, and housekeeping management. In conclusion, the IPS Institute of Hotel Management stands out as a premier institution for those aspiring to build a career in the hospitality sector. With its comprehensive curriculum, practical trainings, industry connections, and commitment to 100% placement assistance, the IPS prepares students for a successful and fulfilling career in hospitality. By choosing DIPS, students are taking a significant step towards achieving their professional goals and becoming leaders in the dynamic world of hospitality. If you desire to take admission, you may visit our website www.dipsindia.co.in or you can book an appointment with our counselor at 9211 641409.